Hi, today's topic is improper payments / fraudulent payments. On July 22nd, President Obama acknowledged that this year's improper payments that were misspent, that were sent out to taxpayers who weren't supposed to get them, the amount was $110 billion. Just $66 billion of that went to just the three largest welfare programs, Medicare, Medicaid, and the Earned Income Tax Credit. Now we're going to switch from fraud and welfare payments to all payments of waste. There is an organization called Citizens Against Government Waste, and each year it looks at the 13 federal departments and it sees how much was wasted in duplicative programs, unnecessary programs, and looks for other waste and inefficiency. So $350 billion this past year. Then we're going to look at the number of single taxpayers who are net taxpayers, that is, who once you send your money in, it stays there for the entire year, compared to many other taxpayers who send the money in, but they get all that back and then thousands of additional dollars of your earnings. And also, I'm going to look at the brackets and share with you the 6 different tax brackets that everyone pays in. You start out in this one, and then you make a certain amount, you move up to this one, and so forth, till you're paying a whopping 35% if you make enough money. All right, so I've extrapolated these from IRS data, and as close as I can get, there are about 20 million in the 10% bracket, and so forth. Again, these are not exact figures, but they're close. And in the next segment, we're going to show you, with all this waste and fraud, we're going to show you, by keeping a reasonable portion compared to what you pay, of how much you would not have to send in, how much of your dollars you would get to keep. All right, and I also ask you to please contact Mick. Just go to my site, conservative-politics-infofind.com, and if you have any questions or comments, please send them in. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.